everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to um, start a new session in Safari. Make it start a new session by default, or turn the previously open session uh, every time you restart Safari. As an update to this video, and this request came to me from this commenter on the old video that you saw up in the one of the corners. So I'm going to show you how to adjust that setting in Safari. So as you can see right now, let's try opening Safari first. And it opens up in the default favorites and starting page, I think is what it's called. And if I open, like, let's say YouTube, it'll open YouTube. And but then if I turn it off or shut it down, I'm gonna go Command Q, and then so it closes, and I'll restart it again. And it'll bring me back to the start page once again because it started a new Safari session. Now, let's say I don't want it to start a new Safari session. I would go to here, Safari settings, select Safari settings, and not in extensions, but in, I believe it's in the general tab. Yeah, so Safari opens with, you can open with a new private window, all windows from last session, or all non-private windows from last session. This one you probably will never need, but you can change your Safari to open all windows from last session. And that's what I need. And when opening a new window, it's gonna, using the Command T, it's gonna open this start page, and opening a new tab. Actually, that's maybe Command Shift N, and this is Command T. That they both go to the start page. But now, if you close settings, and let's say you have YouTube open, and you go open another tab, and you open, let's say, the Mac Power Users Forum. Now you have two tabs open, correct? Yep. And then I'm going to close Safari, or quit Safari, and then open it one more time. Now I'm going to open Safari, and it should open those two previous tabs that we had before the session closed. Safari, and boom, here it goes. It opens YouTube, and here is Mac Power Users form, because we have the setting here. You go to Safari, open the Safari menu, go down to Settings, and in the Generals tab, you change the Safari opens with, and you can either have all windows from last session, or what I usually have is a new window. And if I close this and quit Safari now, I can go start Safari again. And there it goes to opening the start page once again. All right, guys, that's how you would change that setting in the new macOS Sonoma. And I do have the latest update, just so we can confirm that I have the latest update. And go here and go to, let's see, where is it? General, and go to software update, and here it says 14.4. I have the latest update. All right, guys. Well, that's what I have for today's video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share it. And I will have the other version. I think the other previous video was using Ventura. And yeah, you can check them both out if you like. But the steps are pretty much the same. All right, guys, please like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody who might find it helpful. And I'll see you all in the next video.